with a girl in the rolling zone. I read her interview and she sounds perfect if it's all the truth. But how am I gonna get to her without stalking her and looking like I'm not right in the head? I'm cutting up the letters, really know that I left that said I wanna find the perfect girl, the one who lives up to my standards. She's got to be an angel, a perfect little angel. I'll never find my perfect girl. I wanna fall in love with a rich chick, drive her car when I take her out, buy her gifts with their own damn